Hey guys, in order to transfer the photos and videos that are clicked by the Canon camera to your Android smartphone, then this is very simple. So today in this brand new video, we'll be discussing about how to transfer the photos and videos from Canon to our smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and help it to grow.
So first of all, in your smartphone, you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store and search the Canon Connect there. So this is the application of Canon Camera Connect. So you can simply download this and install in your device. After successfully installed this application, you just have to open it up. So you have to give all the permission to this application that it had asked for the first time when you use. So now you are done with the application. Just you have to open the Wi-Fi setting here in your smartphone and keep your mobile phone aside for a while. So after that, you just have to bring your Canon camera and boot it up. Now we are making the Wi-Fi from the Canon camera and connecting through our smartphone so that we can transfer our files easily using the hotspot. So just click in menu, and here in the last option you can see wireless communication setting. Just click in OK. And here you have to enable the Wi-Fi first. So just make sure the Wi-Fi NFC is enabled. Just click in OK and make it enable. And come back, and you can see the Wi-Fi function in the second option. Just click in OK. And here connect in smartphone. Just click in OK again. And here you can see many options. So go to the first option and click in OK. Now here you have to make a set. So set 1 and 2 are for my another smartphone. So if you see not configured, then just click in that set, and here you just have to click in easy connection. So you can see here Wi-Fi is created and password is also there. Now you just have to connect this Wi-Fi network with the same password displayed here in your smartphone. Now bring your smartphone and open the Wi-Fi and connect this Canon Wi-Fi network with the password. So now just hit join and connect it. And now you are connected. Now go back to your application and wait a second here. Now you can see the name of your camera here, Canon ATD, you can see here. You just have to bring your camera and hit in OK and connect with the smartphone. Now our connection has been set. Now you can use your smartphone to view all the medias present in the camera. Here in your smartphone, you just have to open the Canon application again, and you can see our connection has been established. So just click image on camera, and you can see all the image that is present in your Canon camera. Now you can select each of the image or select all the image, and you can simply import into your gallery or into your internal storage. Just click in import and original size and bring all the image to your internal storage of your device. So here it will take little time because the image quality will be perfectly the same as in the camera. Now go to your gallery after you have successfully imported, and here you can see all the images has been added into your internal storage. You can see the image quality in the camera and image quality in the phone is perfectly the same. So you can zoom the photograph and watch the photograph as well. So this is how you bring all the images from Canon camera to your smartphone directly using the hotspot. So if you like our video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and share it among your friends. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.